Jiangsu Hezhong Fabric Limited Company. Our company has more than 30 years of industrial fabric production and manufacturing experience, as well as the first-class technology equipment. The liners are used for separating and preserving the rubber compound with super high stiffness, excellent separating performance, and good preserving freshness. Besides, the edge is not easy to break and have wrinkles. Meanwhile, it has the amazing property of anti-static, so as to be separated from the rubber compound easily. The biggest advantage of our fabric is that it can protect the rubber compound from deformation. Additionally, the high-quality liners can be used for more than several thousand times, which will bring the biggest benefit for our customers. Hezhong Raw Materials Factory has introduced the high-performance automated polypropylene production line. Superior fiber-grade polypropylene raw material is put into the large spinning machine. After hot melting, spinneret, level 7 strength drafting and winding, the tube yarn is transported to the automatic twisting workshop for twisting to ensure that the twist of yarn is even and accurate. In the wake of heat setting, yarn holding force and dry heat shrinkage rate are increased. After multi-level inspection, the packaging is sent out of the warehouse and into the weaving workshop. Fiber Inspection Lab uses the advanced and precise inspection instrument so as to check the fiber number, elongation, strength, and hot air shrinkage rate of warp and weft filament accurately, and make sure that each batch of raw materials are qualified. The warping machine can control and adjust the tension deviation of each filament precisely, so that each filament tension is even and the woven liners are very flat and wear-resistant. In addition, warping wheel is covered so as to prevent the filament falling off, absorb the dust, and keep the moisture of filament. The liner's weaving adopts Picano Rapier Loop, which is the most famous brand and developed machine in the world. In this way, it can weave liners of the highest grade and the best stiffness. We always insist on testing the semi-finished fabric and check whether the liner's flatness are good and the width are qualified with a standard, and whether it has the oil contamination and defect. In this way, we can find the disqualified liners to make sure the quality of the liners.
The flame was ignited in CG machine to clear away the betting and impurities. Our technology personnel always choose different gas pressure to control the flame volume according to the different kind of the material. The flame direction was controlled automatically when the CG machine speed reaches the 40 meters per minute against the damaged fabric.
The professional reciprocating washing fabric machine can wash the liners cleanly without the oil contamination and impurities.
The warp and weft density of fabric will become bigger after heat setting so as to improve the liner flatness and stiffness, thus solving liner existing wrinkle problem. We can control the width accurately to meet the customer requirements. Besides, the setting machine can do the treatment about gluing, coating, anti-static. It belongs to our company's special formula. The calendering roller pressure and speed was adjusted by the multi-point automatic control according to the different technical requirements. To make sure the flatness are better, the air permeability was decreased to nearly zero so that it can keep the rubber compound fresh. Besides, it can improve the liner stiffness and then achieve the best using condition.
Sponge compound machine can compound 5 layers of construction materials, including the sponge and high-strength polyester fabric. Besides, 4 types of compound can make the liner firmer, which can act as a good buffer function and better protect against the deformation of rubber profile. Compound heat extrusion machine can combine the rubber stripe on the high-stiffness fabric. Since the inside of the tire rubber compound is in a suspended state, it will be not pressed by the external pressure. We have 3 sets of ultrasonic fabric cutters, in which the 2 are ultrasonic type and the other one is heat cutting. They are used according to different materials and different width. presetting the cutter width and cutting the liner's edge automatically. The machines can fix the broken edge and rough salvage, etc. The roller can fix the length and print the meter remark automatically to facilitate inspection of goods and production record. Sewing the black Velcro evenly on the liners and leader cloth is convenient for fixing the liners on the wheel so as to roll firmly and improve the working efficiency. Meanwhile, we've printed the specification, manufacturer name, and production date on the liners to improve product traceability. Finished liners are checked by professional personnel according to strict 5S management. It is the final quality inspection. The disqualified liners will be scrapped to make sure that the product percent of pass is 100%. And only qualified fabric can proceed to the next process. Excellent after-sales can provide the liners washing service. The used liners will be washed and dried cut, rolled, sewed, and black Velcro, and packaged to deliver after the heat setting of liners is finished. The professional personnel will conduct a standard package of the liners and stick qualified certificate and mark. The liners have to be shipped after the warehouse keeper issues the documents. With many industry giants like Michelin, Bridgestone, Goodyear, Pirelli, Sumitomo, Yokohama,
all sales staff of other companies, international and domestic departments are willing to working together with the colleagues of rubber and fiber field, which have same goal to create brilliant